If you want to update your Symfonisk bookshelf speaker, at the first you have to simply go for the system options. Next you have to scroll down at the bottom and pick system updates. Right now we have to click to check for the updates. Currently there's no any update available. I'm up to date because I downloaded the latest version of the software, but if you have it, it will be right here on the screen. So you can simply select and then just go with the steps that you see on the screen. If you will find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.